The Vox Weather team just doing a little bit of remote working while we're on the road this week. Thankfully, I'm powered up by the Volta 700 so that I can continue doing the forecast anywhere I go. Now it's time for you to look at your Tuesday weather while I finish up here. On Tuesday, a cold front arrives in the Western Cape, mainly to bring in some cloud and cooler conditions, with foggy patches the morning over the coastal areas and the adjacent interior. Most of the light showers are falling over the mother city, parts of the Winelands and the Overberg, and throughout the day spreading along the southern coastline into parts of the Eastern Cape. A northeasterly wind for the Eastern Cape, but behind that cold front, an icy southerly wind moving in along the coast and blowing fresh at times in the Karoo, with also a fresh to strong south-southeasterly wind blowing in Cape Town and along the west coast. Only isolated showers for Cape Town, parts of the Overberg and the southern coastline, and then later a few isolated showers reaching parts of the Eastern Cape. Foggy at first along the west coast and in Cape Town as well as surrounding areas. Later that cold front sliding over the southwestern coast only to bring in light showers and an icy southerly wind moving in behind that cold front. Only 14 in Swellendam, becoming cloudy along the southern coastline with a cold wind blowing and very isolated showers. 7 in the morning in Somerset East and 6 degrees in Kumani, foggy in places like Grahamstown and surrounding areas, and into the afternoon a southwesterly wind picking up between East London and Port St John's with maximum temperatures in the mid-20s. It's a mainly sunny and lovely afternoon for KwaZulu-Natal after foggy patches the morning, especially over the northern coastline with 26 in Richards Bay, Vryheid and Newcastle. 2 in the morning in Ermelo and 4 degrees in eMakhazeni. Later a sunny day for the Highveld and reaching a high of 25 in Mbombela. Lots of sunshine in Limpopo with no rain in the forecast and maximum temperatures soaring to the mid and upper 20s. Overnight, a low of 3 degrees in Zeerust and Ventersdorp, dropping to 2 degrees in Klerksdorp and Mahikeng. Later a sunny and comfortable afternoon for Northwest. Foggy patches at first near Alexander Bay and a cold southerly wind moving in from the south. Later winds turning southerly and blowing strong along the west coast but hot in the north with 29 in Uppington. Cold at first in the Free State with the mercury dropping to freezing level in Forest Smith and Vicksburg, -1 in Bethlehem. A sunny afternoon with temperatures above 20. Also dropping to freezing level in Vereniging Tuesday morning for in Johannesburg. Later a lovely afternoon for Gauteng with lots of sunshine. On Wednesday, that onshore flow behind the cold front bring in cooler conditions and light showers for the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. And then into Thursday, light rain for Richards Bay, and then northerly winds will cause bergwind conditions for the southern coastline where it's going to be hot the afternoon.